Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download Evernote. So for downloading it, open Microsoft Store and then search here Evernote, and here you can see this is. So now click on get. Just wait, it is getting ready. So this will take some time to install. So preparing to download, getting files ready. So it started installing. Actually, I have also made a website called NoteVerse. You can also check out that for simplifying your note taking. And there is also many more functionalities like NoteVerse community. You can make friends, you can message your friends, and so many things. So the link is in the description to check out. So let's wait till this installation is completed. So now, as you can see, the Evernote is installed. Now click on open. And just wait. So here you can see, now you can sign up with your Google account and start taking notes. And also, as I have said earlier in the video, if you want, you can also check out the NoteVerse. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.